This roadmap isn't our roadmap, like we said. This roadmap is your roadmap.
That's
So
right.
if you didn't like something we saw, if you think our priorities are wrong or we missed something, all you have to do is go to ideas.kw.com and tell us. In fact, there's already been over 1,000 ideas submitted on how we can do better. And this is our roadmap. So you'll see, it's actually interesting. It's a little blurry, but the number one voted thing inside of our ideas.kw.com, our roadmap, is a previous and next button on the contact. So there's like 22 people having a conversation on that and 137 votes. So our product manager will get on the phone, they'll call, and they'll say, hey, help us understand what you mean by that. And the use case for this made sense. They wanted to create their list inside a command by filters and tags saying, these are the people I want to call today. And then they didn't want to have to go back to the contact screen to go back to the next one. So they said, just give me the next and previous button.
Makes sense. We missed it.
So now, through the 76 updates we did in Command, there's now a next and previous button on every contact. The point of that is that each one of those updates are extremely small baby steps, but they're baby steps that you tell us to take. And we're in partnership together. And so literally, anything you want us to do, just tell us in ideas.kw.com or hit the feedback button in Command, put it in our roadmap, and we'll completely build whatever you say.
Hold on, say that again. Hit the feedback button where?
So inside of Command, you see on the bottom of the screen, there's a little dog on the right. That dog is actually, it's your dog.
It's actually our son's dog. That's her face on it.
Yes. So that's Riley. If you click on Riley, that activates our labs process, and you can give us feedback right there, or you can go to ideas.kw.com through there and start voting and collaborating with your other fellow agents, helping us craft our roadmap.
If you go on any significant page on Command and you get lost and you don't know what to do, what can you do?
If you'll see, there's a little question mark at the top right. If you click that question mark, a little panel will slide out. That panel will understand what you're trying to do or try to and tell you, here's what other people have looked at that helped them. There's also a little search bar. You can search like, how do I add a contact? How do I use smart plans? How do I deal with filters? And then all the contextual training will show up right there in Command. If you still get stuck, then you can go down and click support and start talking to someone that understands how to and can chat with you, working you through your problem.
Well, we don't. Maybe not immediately.
Yes.
Well, let me just say again, if 150,000 people hit that support button, I don't think we have enough people. But
it's a labs process.
But it puts you in a queue
yes.
for support to come back and talk to you. So what we try to do is from tell us where we got it wrong to what we need to change to help me is all built into the screens in Command.
That's right. Now,